Tired of just holding that tablet or that phone all night long? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the Fortihold tablet and phone holder stand. It's a tablet and mobile phone stand. Nice! But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fortihold highly adjustable tablet and mobile phone stand. And look, this thing can hold up to a 12.9-inch device. Amazing. Packaging looks great. Bunch of information on the back here, as you see. Very nice. Let's open it up. So right inside the box is part of this assembly information. Very, very cool right here. It looks like we have the device holder. Amazing. You'll see it looks like it has a ball and joint right here attached on the back. And stretches for different size devices. We have what looks to be an Allen wrench style thing. I assume just so we can tighten things up and loosen them. Our ball and joint actual stand right here. So here is that right here, right? This is what I was talking about with the ball and joint. So actually just pop in here like this. Then we just screw this in to tighten it. This way it doesn't rotate as much, so the tighter it gets, the less it'll move. I believe this right here end goes to the actual mounting device. Part of our cabling right here to help you hide the cabling. Very, very cool. You'll see right here by doing things like this, you can loosen it. This way we can tilt it whatever direction we need. You'll see like that. Being able to kind of tilt it and turn it. Pretty difficult to do, so I know it's going to definitely hold whatever you need it to. And finally the mounting system right here. See? Install it like this. Now that that's on, you'll see it's this. So you'll slide it onto the countertop or wherever you need it, and then you'll just simply tighten it up. It'll hold. You'll have the whole thing laid out exactly as you need it. Fortihold, this thing is awesome. We've reviewed some things like this in the past and also just used them, and you know what? This probably feels like the sturdiest, highest quality one we've ever had the pleasure of reviewing. So let's go ahead and try it out. This is the Fortihold tablet and mobile phone holder. It's highly compatible. It works with a wide range of devices, iPhone 13 through 16 Pro Max, iPad Pros, the 12.9-inch or the 11-inch, the iPad Airs, Samsung Galaxy tablets, Microsoft Surfaces, Kindle Steam Decks, switches, portable monitors. This thing is highly compatible. So it's great for phones, tablets, e-readers, and even portable gaming consoles. Built-in cable management keeps your charging cables neatly organized and out of the way. Cable feeds through discrete grips to keep everything tidy while your device charges. Sturdy and refined build, solid metal base and aluminum arm ensure stability and durability. Holds devices securely, whether it's a tablet, phone, Kindle, or portable monitor. Flexible, adjustable, and rotating design. The 360-degree rotation will let you easily position your device for optimal viewing. Adjustable arms allow you to find the perfect angle. Unlike the gooseneck stands, this one holds its position without wobbling. Versatile usage, so it's ideal for content creation, recording videos, video calls, watching movies, following recipe videos, and so much more. There's so many different ways you can use this. And it's perfect for desk setups, nightstands, or kitchen counters. Perfect for different situations. Watch movies in bed, record content hands-free, follow recipes without needing to prop up your device. And it's sturdy enough for everyday use, and it's flexible for different setups. And it's straightforward. It's easy. The instructions, they're located right inside the cover of the box. Get to it and go hands-free. Fortihold, this thing is awesome. The fact that it can hold multiple different sizes is just A+. us. We want to give a huge shout out to Fortihold for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye.